Delicious Chipotle rice. You need cumin powder, garlic, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, chipotle sauce, chopped onion, bell peppers, capsicum and tomatoes, coriander, avocado, lettuce, black red beans canned boiled. Heat oil so peppers at low flame. Add salt and black pepper. Then cook beans and mash a bittered salt. Mix chopped onion, tomatoes and add salt, red pepper and add onion, coriander, cumin powder, garlic, salt, black pepper, lemon to avocado. Take cooked rice for flavor, add dry red chili, bay leaf, add chipotle sauce. Time to prepare a bowl. Add pepper, onion, tomatoes, mixed beans, lettuce, and mashed avocados, then finally sour cream. If you like this video, share with your friends and also tell us from where you are watching in comments.